Hey, happy Monday. So everybody's always talking about that you need to have your niche, right? Niche. What do you say? I say niche. But anyways, yes, you do. It's very important to have a niche, right? If you have a business or you're branding yourself online, no matter what you're doing online. So you want to attract the right people, get the right people to see your stuff. Absolutely important. However, I also do believe that not all of your content necessarily has to be geared toward your niche, right? People also want to get to know, like, and trust you. So you should be showing different sides of yourself. Like for me, I like to hike. I have a rescue dog. I go walking. I do physical therapy. I do gardening. It's just a few things. So you're going to see a variety of content on my page. Now, most of my, business content is going to be geared toward my niche, but don't forget to build your know, like, and trust factor because people really want to get to know you on social media. That's what it's all about. So what are your thoughts? Tell me what you think.